GLM 5.2 was just released 3 days ago, 16th of June 2026. I want to show you how you can use this model in Xcode 27 for agentic coding. GLM 5.2 is great for long horizon tasks as well as advanced coding tasks. It is available on all these platforms. However, we are going to use it via Ollama. It is a hosted cloud model on Ollama, so we don't need to download it as the other local Ollama models. To find GLM 5.2 on Ollama, you go to Models. Over here, you have noticed we have GLM 5.2. So using this model in Xcode 27 requires only 2 steps. You should get Ollama API credentials and use it to configure the GLM 5.2 access in Xcode 27. First, you should visit the Ollama homepage. You should sign in from the top right and select any of these options to log in. Once you log in, you can generate an API key. I have already generated my own. So to configure the Ollama credentials in Xcode 27 in the intelligence settings, we need all these fields. So you should grab an API key from your Ollama account as how I just showed you. Then you store the API key on your machine. You can store the API key in 2 ways by using this command in the terminal. So I'll go to the terminal and paste it here. All you need to do here is to replace the periods and run the command to store your Ollama API key. Alternatively, you can store the Ollama API key permanently in your home directory on your machine. To display your home directory on the Mac, you should press Command Shift and H. In the home directory, you can store the API keys in 2 files. These are all hidden files. That is your zprofile or using the .zshrc file. Since they are all hidden files, you can reveal them with Shift command and period. You have noticed here, we have .zshrc. So you can store the Ollama API key in this file or store it in your zprofile. I'll press Command Shift and period to hide them again. So we can now go to Xcode and set it up. To reveal the intelligence settings, you should click the Xcode menu and select Settings. Over here, we have Intelligence. Xcode has several ways to bring agentic coding models. You can connect agents from providers like Anthropic, OpenAI, or Gemini. However, if you scroll down, we have an option to add a chat provider. That is how you can add an Ollama model. We have 2 types of Ollama models, the hosted versions as well as the locally hosted versions. Since GLM 5.2 is internet hosted, we need to select this option instead. So we need to specify all these fields. So let's go to the steps. I will copy this URL and paste it here. The API key is optional, but I prefer setting it here. I have it already added, so I'm not going to add it again. With the API key header, you should use Authorization. Finally, you should add the description of the chat provider. So over here, you can for example put Ollama hosted. Then you add to save the changes. I already did this earlier, so I'm going to cancel it. To add a new conversation with your agentic coding model in Xcode 27, you should go to the toolbar and click this button. You have noticed here, we have by default GPT-5. To use our GLM 5.2 model, we should go to the top left of the toolbar instead and click the Coding Assistant button. Over here, you can initiate a new conversation or create a group conversation. Let's create a new conversation. With that, we have all these options. So we can select any of these coding models. Under chat, you have noticed I have OllamaCloud. So I'll select that. And over here, I have a list of models. So I'll select GLM 5.2. Now we can go ahead and add our prompt to start coding with GLM 5.2 right inside Xcode 27. When selecting GLM 5.2, you saw there were a lot of other hosted Ollama models. To disable any one of these, you should go back to the intelligence settings and scroll down to the chat section and select OllamaCloud. Over here, we have access to all the models from OllamaCloud, so we can disable any of these models and save the changes. because we want to use only GLM 5.2. I will close the window and initiate a new conversation. Then I'll select Ollama Cloud. We now have only GLM 5.2 remaining in the list. So this is how you can use GLM 5.2 right inside Xcode 27 for agentic coding. I showed you how to use the model via Ollama Cloud Hosting.